Good morning, welcome back to my channel Lightsabers of Magic. You're currently looking at a picture of T-Rex restaurant. That's one we took on about maybe 2 years ago, I think. It's called the Chocolate Extinction. Most enormous amount of ice cream. And that's the dry ice in the middle from the volcano. Another good memory. Highly recommended if you're over there. It's called T-Rex. This morning, a couple of things we have to do. First, we're going to clean the dishwasher. Most people think this is a boring thing to do, but let me tell you, if you have a dishwasher, as we do, I highly recommend doing this. It's for maintenance of the pipes, and it makes it smell really nice. We use a thing called Finish, which is this. You buy it on Amazon very easily. It cleans the pipework, and makes the dishwasher smell really nice, lemon sparkle, as you can see. Dead easy to use, easy. Take this off the top and place it upside down. I'll show you that in a second. Most important, when you're cleaning the dishwasher, a couple of things. Make sure you take everything out. First of all, everything out of the dishwasher. Everything, that's knives, plates, everything. Inside, you'll see a filter here. So, take out the filter. Make sure it's free of any debris. So, anything that's may have got caught in there. So I'm just going to give it a quick rinse. So, let's give it a rinse off. Very important, is a lot of people forget to do this. Give it a rinse. Make sure it's hot water. Okay. Okay. So once you've given that a rinse, you can pop that back in. It goes back in there. A lot of people forget to do that, but that's where it goes. That's where it lives. A lot of people actually forget to do the filter. What you do is turn it like that. The middle part comes out. Don't forget to do that, it's very important. Okay, so tray goes back in. So what we do is remove the top, like so. Put it in upside down. Anywhere will do, in that fashion. So it's, as you can see, it's in there, like that. Don't put anything in here. Nothing in here. Some people make the mistake of thinking, I'll just put a dishwasher tablet through it. I'll just put that through it. Never do that. That is for normal day to day, not for cleaning it. That does not clean it. That is what cleans the items that are in the dishwasher. Big difference. Okay, so it's the finish. That is what goes in there. That's the mistake most people make. Okay, don't make that mistake. And what we do, once it's in there, I've already turned it on the wall. Whatever make your dishwasher is, Ours is eco. Some people disagree that some people say Indusit's not a good make. I disagree. I think it's a very good make, and it works. As you can see on the label here, they recommend that you use Finish. So once it's in, just put it on the cycle. Listen for the beep. If you listen, it's away, and you just leave it to leave that to its own devices, and when you come back to it, it'll smell of lemon, and it'll be clean, ready to go, and you can put everything back in afterwards. So that's that. The other thing we do once a month is we clean the washing machine. We use Dr. Beckman's Service It, Clean It. That works a treat. Clean it, as you can see on there. It removes 99.99%. It's the UK's #1, Dr. Beckman's. So do you guys do that? If you do, leave me a comment in the bottom if you agree with it or disagree with it, or if you just can't remember if you do it or not. So that's the dishwasher being cleaned. Washing machine is now being cleaned. We did that last night, so that's done. I'm just keeping the door open. Very important. Keep the door open and just make sure it's dry inside. Make sure the drum is dry inside. Very important, that. Next thing to do, Alexa, lounge on. Good morning. The next thing to do is, when it gets light out, I'm going to break all this down for the recycling. The recycling is due to go out this week. And that's all the jobs done for today. So, dishwasher's being done. The other thing I was going to show you actually was, if you use this in your toilets, this is highly recommended as well. So, Dr. Beckman's again, it's power foaming toilet cleaner. Leaves it smelling of lemons, cleans all the pipes, as you can see, removes dirt and bad odours, self-activating foam. Highly recommend it. It just pour in a sachet. I'll show you. Comes in sachet form. All you do is pour it into the toilet. Some of you may not use it. Some of you may use just toilet cleaner, and that didn't really cross your mind. But I highly recommend it. It foams up. That beep, by the way, to show you what that was. Sometimes, because we have a smart meter, sometimes we get this symbol. If you have one of these, don't panic about it. Don't panic. All it means is network lost. Please contact customer service. Ignore all that. You don't need to contact anybody. Okay. This is something that sometimes occurs. All it is the Wi-Fi's gone down. Okay. If you have a smart meter, all you do is delete the message and close all that down. Okay. Anyway, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this small snippet of what I do first thing in every month. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. May the force be with you.